Hi there, I'm me, Elvison. I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy, and I wanted to invite you to my in-person crash course in video blogging in London next week on Friday, the 5th of October. So if you are looking to increase the use of video on your social media platforms, for your website, for YouTube, whatever it is that you are doing to grow your audience and rank higher in the search engines, video is the way forward, but you need to know how to do it, obviously. So I will give you the whole foundation of online video, from the mindset of a vlogger to how you can create compelling stories, what type of videos work best where, what might be your best social media platform to hang out on, and also a few ideas to very basic equipment and tools you can use to raise the quality of both your video and the audio. So we're going to talk about structure, we're going to talk about planning, but we're also going to talk about how to optimize your video. So when it's finished, you actually do get it out there so it reaches the people you want it to reach. We'll also talk about YouTube and how to set up a channel, and very briefly how you can edit your own video on your smartphone. So have a look at the full content of the course by clicking on the link next to this video. And if you have any questions, just ping us an email on courses@vlogacademy.com. But I really hope to see you in person in London on Friday. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.